Hi, shout out. Hi, Chris. Do you mind a man with a big? No, I don't mind. At least he is good to me. He treat me as good. Wait, wait, wait. Hello, Lewis Butterfly. Hi, X. Mama take. Oh my gosh. Don't do that. Hi, my 121. My light is not good as what I think. Where's my home? Hello? Hello, hello, 120 viewers. Hello. Why Lewis Butterfly I'm ex? I'm not your ex, you're from. Hello, madam. Hi. Please. I always repeating. Do you mind a man like me, someone who will be there for you through thick and thin? Sure. That's what I like. That's it's hard to find a man who is with you in times of I mean, better for worse. He'll be with you always. You Desmond Cassidy, you're watching from. Shout out everyone. Message. I'll swim the ocean for you. No, you ride a boat. Cook. What cooking? And hello George Moyet. What's cooking? Good looking. No, what's your answer? Hello everyone. Smooth arm. What's your answer? What's your answer? Hello, please join my membership. Is there magic happens? Is what there's what happened? Hello, Bernard Jackson, Armando Mora. Hello, Sheldon from Mexico. Hello, Relis Auto Repairs, Madeline 7. Hi. Hi to this, of course, a beautiful looking mom. Thank you. Hello, Air Method Hacker. Hello, mom. Today, are you looking so good? I am Mary, the biggest fan in the world, mom. Yeah, thank you. Mom, would you please make heart and send sweet flight, please? Heart. This is a heart. Thank you so much for a very nice message, Air Meher Takar. Watching. Big fan of Naomi Single Mom's blog. Hello, bonjour, madam. Hi. You like BWC? What's up, BWC? What's up? I'm fine. See you. Hello, 107 viewers. I hope you're fine. I hope you join my membership. And also, everything is buy my super sticker and super chat to support me. Hi, everyone. Hello, hello. There is my hi to my 125 viewers. I love you all, guys. I love you, and please comment, like, and share, and also subscribe. And the most important thing is to join my membership and click the button, what you call my bell button, so if I have live, you will easily notify that I'm going to live. Oh, what you? Oh, what you? Hello, thank you for the 38 like, Dan. Thank you so